I got a fat piece of gun cotton to put in there. Fuck you, mosquito. Get fucking killed.
Get wrecked.
Damn, I cut my hand on the end of that. Probably a tetanus shot right there in the waiting. That's a long piece of fuse, but that works. This one's gonna be tight. Shit, pretty off. Load it up. Alright, stuff that. Yeah. It's alright, it's gonna build some good pressure. Alright. Fire away.
You can put a mad on.
Cannon hoe,
That's gonna
bitches.
take a long burn.
Watch it.
Oh, green.
Woo! That's right! Fuck yeah!
Yeah.
3 caps is where it's at, dude.
It just blew it up. It didn't actually launch it, though.